Are you looking to write high-class project documentation? Do you want to create high-class project documents? Then you are at the right place. Just type yes in the comment section and stick to this video till the end. It will give you everything you need to create high-class project documents in detail. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's proceed to our topic without wasting a second. Knowing what documents to have in a project may be one thing, but to create high-quality documentation is another. High-quality documentation will ensure that everyone on the project is absolutely clear on what is required, what the status is, and what is happening next. I just forgot to tell you something very special. PM2.biz offers 300 plus professional high-quality project management templates and documents in Excel that can save time and increase efficiency. So don't miss out on the best offer. 1. Simplicity. Ensure that you keep your documentation as simple as possible by ensuring that you exclude any unnecessary information. Write your documents in clear, plain terms and limit the use of any abbreviations or terms that others may not understand. This will ensure that the documents are easy and quick to read. 2. Focus. Focus on the actual topic when you create your document. Think carefully about the content you will be adding to the document. List your topics and stick to them. Never go off the topic, as this may confuse the reader completely. 3. Structure. All your documents must have a clear structure, including a well-defined table of contents. You may want to include in your document the use of tables to improve readability. Include diagrams to explain content further. Use bold, italic, and underlining to let certain areas such as headings stand out, and when defining a number or group of associated items, use bullets. 4. The story. Write your documents as if it was a story you are telling. This will improve readability and ensure that you have a captivated reader. Start with an introduction and inform the reader what the document is about. Then add the main content or body and make sure you close off the document with a summary or conclusion. 5. Flow. Write your document in such a way that it flows from paragraph to paragraph and topic to topic. This will ensure that the reader never has to stop to work out where they are in the document or what is coming next. 6. Amount of information. Provide the reader with the right amount of information. Keep it simple and short, but ensure that it is on the topic, informative and helpful. Never over-explain everything, as this may cause the reader to become bored reading your document. 7. Inspiration. Be passionate about the topic you are writing and ensure that you inspire the reader with the information you provide them. Be positive and inspirational throughout the document and you will excite the reader, and your document will be a joy to read. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Download 9,000 plus project management and business templates, plans, tools, forms, and guides at projecttemplates.biz. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.